waves almost capsize the huge ship. The images are unbelievable.
Good night. I've never been this close to a wedge. It missed the house. That's good. What a beast.
Unbelievable. I have never seen such a big hurricane before. This natural phenomenon can swallow a man. It is very dangerous. If you witness such natural phenomena, try to get away from there immediately. The hurricane can quickly head towards you. It is important to take precautions.
Oh, please don't hit that house. It's gonna get real close to that house. Oh, it's gonna hit it. It's gonna dead center it, Bodie. That farm is toast. Oh, look at the debris. It's already hitting. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, it's going behind it. Maybe it'll miss it. It's gonna be close. Oh man. That was close. Oh, there goes a tree. Look how big it is. Listen at the roar.
Oh my God, the flood is so strong it almost swallowed the big bus. Severe flooding is giving buses and vehicles a hard time. Truck accident on long road ends in disaster.
Madre, no entiendo. Ay, chico, tanque. ¿Qué para atrás, gordo? Déjame que no puedo, gordo.
Unbelievable images. I can't believe that a landslide in Japan resulted in a major disaster.
Yeah,